Okay, so we're going to do square roots on with the Casio fx-300es Plus. All right, so let's say we want to do the square root of 25. Okay, so we take the square root and then we punch in 25 equals, gives you 5. Okay, so that's not a problem, right? Let's say we want the square root of 28, right? So we take the square root of 28 equals 2 square root of 7. Let's say, and then, all right, hold on. Let's press this button here to get a decimal equivalent, okay? Let's say you got this answer instead, right? And even if you press the SD button, it doesn't do anything. So what you need to do is you're going to go to Shift, Setup, press number 1, Math IO, and then press Math O again. Then it will give it to you. Square root 28 equals, and it'll give you the reduced form. Now 28 can be broken down into primes, okay? If you want to do the prime factorization, I do have a video for this calculator. 28 is really 2 times 2 times 7, or 2 squared times 7, right? So you could do this with prime factorizations, and to do that, you just press 28, you press equals, you enter it, just press equals. And then what you do is here, where it says fact, under the minute, seconds button, you press shift and that button, and it gives you 2 squared times 7. We know that 2 squared is really square root of 4, square root of 7. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 7. 2 square root of 7 is the same answer as that. Okay. Okay, let's say I wanted to take the square root of 12 over 18. So you can take the square root. You can use the fraction button. Let's go back. Let's delete that. Delete. 12. Go down with the arrow. 18 equals. And that's going to give you the square root of 6 over 3. Okay. Now, one thing you could do, let's say you needed to do it by hand, you could reduce 12 over 18. And so you could press 12 over 18, right? And that would give you the square root of 2 over 3, right? Which is square root of 2, square root of 3. You got to get rid of the square root of 3. Can't have radicals in the bottom. My teacher a long time ago who took math in the 50s, I think, would say that typewriters couldn't do square roots in the bottom or something. So radicals had to be rationalized or something. So square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9, right, is going to be 3. So it gives you this answer. What about the square root of 9 times square root of 3? What does it do? So we take the square root of 9. You push the arrow over, right? Then you square root of 3 equals 3 square root of 3, because square root of 9 is 3. One thing, let's see, if you take the square root again of 28 and you put a period on there, it doesn't seem to change to a decimal answer. Press S and D and it does it. Something like the TI-30X Pro, you could do that, put a period. Okay, and then let's do one more for fun. The square root of 72, right? So we go square root 72 equals 6 square root of 2. Very easy, all right? The FX30ES Plus, awesome calculator, especially it can do the prime factorization for you. So you can do it by hand. All right, I'll see you later. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Tell your teacher. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.